Searching in a PDF file is one of the most useful features of a PDF reader, but being able to search in every PDF file in a folder can be even more useful. I will show you how you can search in every PDF file in a folder using the free Adobe Acrobat PDF reader. Chances are it is already installed on your PC, but even if it isn't, it's available as a free download from Adobe's website. Open the Adobe PDF reader. Go to Edit and then click on Advanced Search. From the new pop-up screen select All PDF Documents in, and from the drop-down menu right below, click on Browse for Location. You will also see the last 3 folders you searched in at the bottom, and be able to quickly select any of them. In the new screen you can navigate to the folder where the PDF files that you would like to search in are located. Select it and click OK. In the text box below type the keyword that you would like to search for. You also have the option to search for whole words only, make your search case sensitive, include bookmarks, or even search in the comments, by clicking any of the check boxes. Click Search and then Allow. In the results screen you will see the keywords you are searching for and the folder as well as the number of documents and how many times the keyword was found. You can click on the documents in the results page and click on any of the instances in the document that the keyword was found, and the PDF document will open in the Adobe Acrobat Reader. That was it. If you have any questions or problems, let me know.